First company which we'll discuss is Grasim Industries. Grasim Industries expectation when it comes to revenue was 6,356 crores and net profit expectation was 159 crores. If we look at the actuals, the sales for company in this quarter was 6,768. So there is a beat when it comes to revenue, but a miss when it comes to net profit. We can see that companies in fact has shown losses in this quarter, and there is a reason for it. In other income section, company has shown losses, whereas in previous quarters it was showing profit. So there is a miss in terms of profit. Company's market cap is around 1,62,000. So it's a big company, it's a conglomerate. It works in different sectors like fiber and pulp, chemicals, cement, sponge and textiles, and recently it forayed into paints business as well. This company's PE also is pretty high, in excess of 100, and its recent CAGR sales for last 5 years has been 5%, and for last 3 years has been 28%. Its compounded profit growth for last 5 years is 7%, and for last 3 years is 22%. So company's growth is not high, and still it has high PE. The reason also is because of its losses in recent quarters, but still company is not looking cheap valuation wise. If we look at its technicals, then company is trading above its upper trend line. We can expect stock to drop to levels of around 2,250, and there is possibility of it breaking it down as well. Company which we'll discuss is Paytm. Revenue expectation from this company was 2,343 crores, and profit expectations, rather loss expectations, was 431 crores. Looking at its actuals, company showed sales of 2,267. So there has been a miss when it comes to sales, and also if we compare profits, then company showed net profit of 550. So there is a miss when it comes to net profit as well. Company is not doing well in recent quarters. The reason is because of RBI strictness. It has banned company's license, but even before that also company was not profitable, and there is likelihood of losses to increase further in coming quarters. There is a possibility of company going to have fate similar to that of DHFL. If we look at its technicals, then company is trying to take a support, trying to consolidate at current levels of 368, but we never know. It's always risky to invest or predict stock price of such companies. Better to wait and not to try and get into this stock till company becomes profitable, till it gets some relief from RBI. Next company is Gland Pharma. Revenue expectation from this company was 1,532, and profit expectation was 239. Actual sales was 1,537, so sales are in line. And if we talk about company's profit, then company's profit is 192. So there is a miss in terms of company's profit, but still there is an increase of 70% when it comes to profit, and around 96% when it comes to sales. Company's market cap is around 30,000 crores and PE is around 38. Company is trading at a PE which is around about same as its long-term average. Company lacks consistency when it comes to sales and profit growth, and that is why we could see that its stock price also has not performed well in recent past. Current trading price of around 1800 is also same as its listing price 4 years back. This level is acting as a support. If company continues to provide growth when in terms of profit and sales, then we can see company reaching its all-time high of around 4,000, providing a swing, but it's difficult to predict its performance looking at its past. Next company is GMM Pfaudler. Street was expecting a revenue of 925 crores and profit of 75 crores. If we look at its result, Then actual sale value is 741 crores. It is a drop of 14%, and net profit value is 28 crores, which is also a drop of 14%. So we can see that results are very poor. Company has a market cap of around 6,000 and stock PE of 36. Company has not been showing good results in recent few quarters, and that is the reason why we have seen stock price is not doing well. Company has been trading in a range and is near its support of around 1200. Company's current trading price is around 1400. Looking at the results, there is high possibility of company breaking down its support. Only after company shows 1 or 2 quarters of good results, then only we can see turnaround in its stock price.